I'm Matt.
I'm Katie.
We're going to adjust our lifestyle to be that of more travel and helping people. Let's enjoy life like that. So
It's scary to think about uprooting all of that, but the opportunity to travel around and help other people, it constantly feels like, you cross 2 things off your list and there's 8 more that you added the same day. And, he kind of sat down with me and said, how many other people are struggling like this so that they can feel like they're finally getting their feet in front of themselves.
the other thing is learning from other people to get exposed to what other people are doing, how they're doing it, document that and share it with other people so people are learning along with us. That's the outline of our plan. The next episode, we're going to go through the plan and how we're going to do that. See you next time.
Bye.